Missed flight ergo overnight stay. Welcomed warmly by front office staff, beautiful interior, spacious rooms, and amazing view of San Jacinto Mountains from our room/patio. Great place to stay. Exceptional, it was very nice. Big room. Right on the downtown walk. The staff was very nice. Their bar was still closed due to COVID. No restaurant. Pleasantly surprised. My first time in Palm Springs and I was so relieved to have booked at the Hyatt. It's clean, large clean room, great location. Can walk to everything. I'm definitely revisiting and staying here. Me and my 21-year-old daughter loved it here. Also, we had a room overlooking the pool and a beautiful mountainside view. Just beautiful. No complaints. Great hotel, awesome location, clean and safe. Nice hotel, located at the center of town. Everything is great, except the extra $20 we have to pay whilst checking in. Great location and pool. Rooms are outdated with stains on furniture and very dirty looking. Too gross to sit on. Lights and bathrooms are rusted. Rooms need to be renovated. Staff are very friendly and pool was very clean. Loved having a balcony. 80. It was an amazing stay during summer. My suggestion, maybe the hotel could have more facilities or even build another pool so it won't be too crowded in one pool and more comfortable for the kids. Great location, a bit high price. This hotel is at a great location. It's right on the street directly in front of downtown Palm Springs. I am a frequent quick getaway and within a few hours of Los Angeles traveler. I traveled with small children. I'm also very picky about how clean the rooms are where I stay. I check every corner and every surface. The room was a bit dusty. The shower water ran hot and cold, which made for an unpleasant shower. I told the front desk staff and they said they'd let housekeeping know as I was checking out. I would stay here again, but I will let the front desk know at check-in about the state of the room.